Today we're showing you how to create a photo collage on your Facebook story, quick and easy. If you want to make your story stand out and look fabulous, stick around. So let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into it. Creating a photo collage on Facebook stories is a great way to share multiple photos in one go. Here's a step-by-step guide to make it super simple. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in into your account. Tap on your story at the top of your news feed or your profile picture. If you're on your profile page, this will open the story creation mashup. Then Facebook will automatically create a collage like this. Here you can choose your template and you can review your photos to make sure everything looks just right. Once you're happy with it, tap share or apply, and that's it. You've just created a stunning photo collage for your Facebook story. If you want to make your story stand out and look fabulous, stick around. So let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into it. Creating a photo collage on Facebook stories is a great way to share multiple photos in one.